Maybe tonight you feel the weight of 1,000 quiet hurts. Maybe your hands still tremble from holding on to what was, and your heart keeps replaying the things you lost. It's okay to admit that it hurts. Don't rush past the pain. Give it a voice, because healing begins when we let the truth out of hiding. There is a God who sees every tear, who counts each broken piece. He does not ignore the ache, he meets it. Healing isn't always a sudden miracle. Often it's 1,000 small mercies, a steady mending day by day. Some mornings you'll wake lighter. Some nights you'll still feel the sting. That's part of the journey, and it's still progress. You are not what your brokenness made you. You are not defined by the season of loss. God is writing a story larger than the chapter you're in. The heartbreak you carry is not wasted. It becomes the soil where compassion takes root, where your wounds teach you to comfort others, where your weakness becomes a source of strength for someone else. Fear will try to tell you lies, that you are alone, that you are not enough, that the future is a dark place you must face by yourself. Those are not the last words. Remember, the same Christ who quieted the sea walks with you through the storm. He says, "Do not be afraid." His presence does not promise the absence of trouble, it promises accompaniment through it. Trust is not a one-time decision. Some days it's choosing to whisper a prayer. Other days it's choosing to stand up and keep going when your knees want to give out. Trust looks like handing the anxious what-ifs to him and saying, "I don't know the path, but I believe the guide." It looks like small obedience when everything inside screams to run. There is purpose stitched into your story. Maybe it's not the purpose you expected. Maybe it's kinder, humbler, more tender. Purpose often grows out of healed places, out of scars that have learned to point toward mercy. When you surrender your plans and hold your life with open hands, God rearranges what's broken into something life-giving. So if you are listening now, breathe with me. Inhale hope, exhale fear. Lay down the burdens that were never meant to be shouldered alone. Speak to the Father who hears the silent language of your soul. Ask him to begin the slow, beautiful work of repair. Your scars will not be hidden forever. They will glow with testimony. Your heartbreak will be transformed into a deeper reservoir of love. Your fear will become courage, stitched together by faith. And one day, when you look back, you'll see the pattern he formed from your pain. A design of resilience, of purpose, and of grace. Hold on. Keep trusting. Keep showing up. Keep praying. The dawn is closer than you think, and the hands that carried the cross are carrying you into something new. You are loved beyond measure. You are chosen. You have a purpose that pain could not erase. Come to me, all who are weary. Let him be your rest. Let him be your healer. Let him be your way.